Here are the general steps to make samosas at home. Prepare the dough. Mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a half teaspoon of salt. Gradually add a half cup of water and knead into a smooth dough. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes. Make the filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Add 1 finely chopped onion and saute until soft. Add 1 cup of mashed potatoes, a half cup of green peas, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. Let the mixture cool. Assemble the samosas, roll out the dough into thin circles and cut each circle in half. Take each half and form a cone. Fill the cone with 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling and seal the edges with water. Repeat until all samosas are filled. Fry the samosas. Heat oil in a deep pan. Once hot, add the samosas and fry until golden brown. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Serve and enjoy. Serve the samosas hot with chutney or ketchup. Enjoy.